What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 10 highest paying dividend stocks you can grab for under $10 a share, all trading live on the NYSE or NASDAQ. Some of these yields are going to shock you, so just make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. Let's get into it. First, quick and simple, what is a dividend? A dividend is basically a thank you check from a company to its shareholders. When you buy a stock, you own a tiny piece of that business. If the company makes money, some of them share that profit with you. Dividends are usually given every quarter. However, the duration will vary depending on the company. Sometimes it could be annual or semi-annual. Therefore, that profit split amongst shareholders is your dividend. Now, you also need to understand what a dividend yield is. The dividend yield is how much you earn per year as a percentage of the share price. So a 10% yield means for every $100 you invest, you get $10 back a year. Now let's get into the 10 companies. Number 10, Ellington Credit, trading at about $4.71 with a 20.4% yield. This company invests in mortgage-backed securities, basically bundles of home loans, listed on the NYSE. Number 9, Great Elm Capital, around $5.43 with a 22.1% yield. They're a business development company that lends money to smaller US companies. Number 8, Oxford Square Capital at $1.89 with a 22.2% yield. Another BDC, they finance early and middle stage businesses. Number 7, Natural Health Trends, $2.79 with a 25.1% yield. This one's different. They sell health, wellness, and beauty products through direct marketing. Number 6, Investcorp Credit Management, BDC, $1.86 with a 25.5% yield. Small BDC that lends to middle market companies. Number 5, Icahn Enterprises, $7.83 with a 25.5% yield. Run by legendary investor Carly Khan, it's a holding company with stakes in energy, automotive, and real estate. Number 4, MV Oil Trust, $2.68 with a 26.1% yield. This is an oil and gas royalty trust. They pass oil revenue straight to shareholders. Number 3, Sound Point Meridian Capital, $9.98 with a 30.1% yield. They invest in collateralized loan obligations, basically bundled corporate loans. Number 2, Icon Energy, just $1.06 with a massive 33% yield. A small marine shipping company that transports crude oil. And number 1, Xerox Holdings, trading at $1.47 with an insane 51% yield. Yes, the printer and copier company. Now here is the truth about yield traps. Keep in mind, this is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. When a yield is this high, it's often a warning sign, not a gift. It's called a yield trap. Here's how it works. If a stock price crashes, the yield number goes up automatically, but the company might be in trouble and could cut the dividend at any moment. Xerox at 51%. That probably won't last. Icahn Enterprises already cut its dividend in half in 2023. These are high-risk plays, not safe income. So always research the company behind the yield. A 10% safe dividend is better than a 50% one that disappears next month. Now, also keep in mind that when a company announces the ex-dividend date, the stock price drops by roughly the amount of the dividend paid. This occurs because the cash is leaving the company's balance sheet, making the company technically worth less per share, and new buyers are no longer eligible for that dividend payment. So when you're deciding on your next stock, take into consideration how to time your stock purchase for the right price. So that's your top 10 highest paying dividend stocks under $10 right now. Which one caught your eye? Drop the ticker in the comments. If this video helped you out, hit that like, subscribe for more honest stock breakdowns, and I'll see you in the next one.